Welcome to NTech Education TV. If you are new in this channel, like and subscribe this video and also smash on the notification button so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you a notification and you don't have to pay any money before subscribing. Thank you. Alright, today we are going to talk on new tricks of solving multiplication of two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Okay, alright, what do we mean by two-digit numbers? Two-digit numbers are numbers in form of what? From 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99. Okay, those numbers that comes in two pairs, they are in two together. That's why they are called two-digit numbers. And one-digit numbers, that means numbers like 1, 2, 3, even 0 is a one-digit number if 0 just stand on its own without any number attached to it. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are all one-digit numbers. And then numbers from 100 to 999, they are called three-digit numbers. And also numbers from 1000 to 9999, they are called four-digit numbers because they are four. All right, so now today we are going to talk on the multiplication of the two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Let us go straight to the point. All right, for instance, you are given number like this. Let's say 23 times, let's say here is 13. Okay, let's say here is 13. This is an example without remainder. Okay, without remainder or carrying. Do you understand? All right, so here first of all you are going to multiply this 3 by this 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 will give us 9, and then you also multiply this one by this 4. By 2, by the top 2. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, after doing that, you leave a space in between these answers. Okay, where I just put a dot now, in between 2 and 9, leave a space. So that means what you get here after doing this operation, which I'm going to show you, that's where you put your answer. Okay, so now what we are going to do next is to what this 2 will multiply this 2. Okay, and then this one will multiply this 3. Are we clear? So that means 1 times, okay, 2 times 3, that's 6. And then 1 times 3 is 3. Then we add them together. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then you write the 9 here. Do you see it? So our answer is 299. That means 23 times 13 will give us 299. Okay, all right, let's move to another example again. The second example has to do with what numbers that after multiplying them will give you a remainder. Look at the method you are going to use for it also. All right, here what you are going to do, this 26, okay, you write, let's say for instance we have 26 and here we have 43. You cross it, that's 26 times 43. Okay, 26 times 43, that's the next example. All right, so now how are we going to solve this question? First of all, we are going to use the same method we used previously. That's this 3 would multiply this 6. Okay, 3 times 6, what will it give us? It will give us 18. Put 8 and carry 1. The one we carry, let's put it in the box here. Okay, then also this 4 times 2, what will it give us? 4 times 3 is 8. Then you put the whole 8 here. Okay, that is a space between this 8 and the previous 8 we wrote. So after the next step, that's when you are going to bring those numbers in between the 8. Okay, so that means here we are going to have what? You multiply this 3 by this 2. 3 times 2, that's 6. And then 4 times 3 is 24. 24. Like this. Okay, so that means we multiply 4 times 6, which gave us 24. Then you add them together. Okay, then you are going to say 6 plus 24, which will give you 30. 30 plus the one you carried before. 30 plus 1, what will it give you? That means here plus 30. What will it give us? It will give us 31. If you have 31, we are going to write the 1 here and carry the 3 and add the 3 to this 8 which was written before. Then that means the 8 will turn to what? to 11 because 8 plus 3 is 11. So here we'll write the whole 11. Okay, this one will turn. You cancel it like this by putting one there, put another one here. That's for the 11. You can see your answer is, if you multiply 26 times 43, you are going to have 1118. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed this channel, and if you're also new in this channel, like and subscribe this video, and also smash on the notification button so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification and you don't have to pay any money for subscription. See you in my next video. Thank you.